Behold, the Apple 145b.
Yep. And we're gonna open this bad boy up. Nickel cadmium battery.
Nice. Look at the high quality speaker. Hello. Don't bully me. Don't bully me. Don't bully me. Wow, that little drop onto the dirt was really pathetic. Look what it did.
Let's see. Scratched up that, and then got the whole side.
Cracked that up. It broke this off.
Throw it. Oh. Oh. See, I thought this thing was gonna be really strong. The screen's cracked. Look at this. CD, look.
This is so weak. Let's go to goatee.cx. My friend just sent me to the site. Oh God! No!
That's good.
No! It's awesome. We should save it as artwork. Let's see. Woo! Wait a sec.
Keep going. Let's see some parts.
Go. Floppy drive. We all know how much fun Mac floppy drives are to smash.
Go see. Don't break the face. Go. Make sure it's on this.
Oh wait, ownage hit.
Go.
Ah!
Keep going. Had to spun it a long time.
Ah! Go.
Oh. So hit this.
Oh, there's the plastic crap. Oh, there's all the shiny crap. Is this plastic or glass? Plastic.
Got it?
Go. Yeah. Yeah.
Think we're done. Go. Oops. One more time.
Break it in half.
Like. Done. Whoa.
Ha! Ho! It's so much cooler to smash it on this. Oh, it's a Sony. No wonder it's hard to smash.
Probably, I think we're good right now. That's cool. Well, let's go get an aftershock. This is it.
All Apple products are designed and made by their own company. No other companies are used in the making of an Apple computer. Yeah, right.